Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I will redraw this amazing Goku and Vegeta Super Saiyan Blue drawing of Henrik from Instagram. He's an amazing artist and I already redrew one of his drawings, which you can also check out after this video. And guys, before we start, one very important thing, please watch the whole video, like the video and subscribe if you are new, that would be amazing. So as you can see, this drawing is very dynamic and colorful, with Goku doing the Kamehameha and Vegeta the Galick gun with aura, with energy waves, which means redrawing this will not be easy and will take me a lot of time, but that's art. Henrik must have used this picture as a reference, and I will do the same, but I will give it my own style of inking and coloring, but the poses I will keep the same as they are amazing. First I started to draw this on an A4 size paper, but then really quick I realized that I will need much more space to draw such a dynamic drawing with background, so I started again on A3. Alright guys, now let's check out the drawing process together, and I will see you guys in the end again with the final result. Let's go. So guys, last touch and then this amazing drawing is done, and man, I really love the final result. I think this one is definitely one of my best drawings ever. I'm really happy with it. It was really hard to draw this. This took me so much time with all the details. I really love the poses, the coloring, the aura, the energy waves, the first impression, just everything about it. Alright guys, now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon if you appreciate my work. That would be amazing. I will of course upload this on full time on my real-time channel, so you can follow my steps very easy in case you want to draw this yourself. And the one and only original drawing is now available on Etsy, and for commissions, message me on Instagram. And if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in the video. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching, and I see you all on the next